This is the best pressure washer. It comes with a bunch of different nozzle attachments, which makes it super versatile for cleaning anything. I've used this to clean so many things around the house, and they turned out great. The foam cannon attachment was awesome for cleaning the trash bins. The LED indicator lights make using this pressure washer so simple. It has 1500 psi of power and 2.5 gallons per minute, so it does an amazing job of blasting away dirt from your car. But what really sold me on this product was its quiet operation. Most other electric pressure washers sound like jet engines, but not this one. It sounds more like a vacuum cleaner. So if you want something powerful yet quiet, then this might be perfect for you.